Today we gonna show y'all how to cook, baby. How to work your wrist. Get your motion together. The right way, not the light way. I'ma definitely need your attention for this one. Cause this a P-Rice exclusive. Bitches, listen up. If you ain't got no away from the soul, if you ain't got no direction, you in the wrong place. Now listen to me. Now took the bowl. Took the bowl like that right there. Work your wrist like that. Yeah, just like that.
Let me talk to him. That my wrist. I'm a cold nigga, round town, got the hoes with him. Getting real guala out for show, living. Cooking up dope, let the stove sizzle. I'm a road runner, bitch tap in with a cool 100. Brand new Benz with the shoes on it. Money on dance, put the moves on it. Hit the move, real live with it. Real live. Tricks on dial with it. Bitch walk a mile with it. Get knocked up, go to trial with it. Wrist. Crystal spiller. Big league ball hitter. Stack too tall, seller. Never know for she all willing. What you do with it?
Wrist. I need all you bitches at home to take off your clothes.
That my wrist.
It's getting hot in this motherfucker. We cooking right now.
That my wrist.
Just watch me, yeah.
Wrist.
You see that right there?
That my wrist.
That's my wrist. I need you to focus.
That my wrist.
I need you to focus, baby.
Nigga, that my wrist.
You see how I hit that motherfucker like that? You know what I mean?
That my wrist.
Right there. Yeah, that's the money maker right there. Yeah.
Nigga, I run an insane strip, gotta keep the hoes real loose. Got game for your membrane, bitch, so put on them go-go boots. And go hard till you can't no more. Real hard in the paint, low ho. Pimp hard, lay the left hand down. P-Rice is the real nice show. Nigga say I ain't got no hoes. Nigga, what? I got yo bitch, and they all got hoes. Nigga, what? I pull out the coupe, the Trans Am, the drop of the clean photo. The game ain't free, but for you, I make it feel a little low. We'll see how it go.